Strong core yoga for kids. Hello yoga friends. Before we start today's fun yoga adventure, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new yoga session. In this video we're going to enjoy easy and playful yoga poses that help your body feel strong, flexible, and relaxed. Take a deep breath, stretch your body, and get ready for some fun yoga time together. Let's begin our yoga journey. Let's get ready. Take a deep breath and prepare your body for something strong and fun. Stand tall like a strong tree and breathe slowly as you feel your body grow steady. Sit back gently, lift your arms high, and feel your tummy muscles turn strong. Press your hands down, keep your body straight, and breathe slowly as you feel powerful. Lift your hips up high and stretch your top arm to the sky as you balance bravely. Stay steady and breathe calmly as your body balances like a strong bridge. Lift your feet, reach your arms forward, and feel your middle grow strong and steady. Lean back gently, stretch your legs long, and keep your breathing slow and strong. Move one arm and the opposite leg slowly while keeping your belly strong and steady. Press your feet down, lift your hips up, and feel your body rise like a rainbow. Hold steady, breathe slowly, and feel your whole body working together. Stretch forward and back at the same time and find your balance like an airplane. Reach one arm and the opposite leg long while staying steady and calm. Twist gently from side to side and feel your middle grow stronger with control. Press your arms down, lift your hips up high, and breathe deeply. Press your hands and feet down and lift your belly up toward the sky. Lift your arms and legs gently and feel your back muscles wake up. Pull your knees in close and take a soft, relaxing breath. Hold your feet gently and rock softly while breathing slowly. Lie still, breathe slowly, and feel your whole body relax and shine.